Family Herbalist Viola. Look, y'all see I just put that detox video out. I put the detox video out for metals because people are like, how I got metal in my body? You got metal in your body. Look on my YouTube. Matter of fact, I'm going to show you the video. So look at this video and y'all see what's going on in Costco's. Because you already know that most supermarkets, they will tell you what's recalled. I mean, I love Costco, I love Sam, I love BJ's. I go to BJ's more, but I always look at what's recalled, what's being recalled. And it just bothers me that it's the Kool-Aid now. So you guys look at this. Just look at this. Yes, because right here it says, according to manufacturers, look, they're saying that there's foreign substance right here in your Kool-Aid. It's saying small pieces of metal and glass. Now you see why I did the detox video. So I just want you guys to be aware. It says 3 of the largest food beverages are saying in Costco's put this out. So Costco put this out. I just want to make sure you guys know it. Right here, it says the 3rd largest food and beverage company in North America has announced they voluntarily recall powdered drinks. And make sure you guys know, and it says it's dated. So right now, if you purchase anything, any drinks for popular brands sold at Costco's and Walmart are being recalled. So make sure y'all go to your supermarkets and see what's recalled and what's not. And they're saying Kool-Aid right here. Read it. Small pieces of metal and glass. And the manufacturer dates, they're saying right here, products that's recalled in the U.S. best used dates between May 10th, 2023 and November 1st, 2023. So make sure if you guys are buying these products, make sure that that y'all checking. Need to check the dates. No, this article came out. Y'all need to check the dates. This article came out November 23rd of 2020, just a couple of weeks ago. So, all right, so now y'all see why I'm always saying, you know, do these detoxes. We got metal. I don't want y'all to have glass in your food. Don't want you to have glass in the food. Because look, we already know if a baby, just think Kool-Aid, some people give it to their 1-year-old. Some people give it to their 1-year-old. And what they're going to tell you, how they're going to tell you, you know, there's glass. How can they tell you they're in pain? They can't. They can't. So just, you know, check the dates. Go get your refund. Because look, we don't want our children being hurt. We don't want our children. So we want to protect our children. Because remember back in the day, I don't know, they were showing how they had pieces of metal in baby food. And they were showing how they had other things in our foods. And it's like, man, how does this happen? You're like, man, but look, detox. Make sure you guys detox. You do got metal. You do. Some people got mercury, especially. You don't know what kind of feelings you got. We don't know what kind of feelings we got. But look, I just want to make sure you guys are aware. So the reason why I put this video out, just to make sure you're aware. So go back and check out the other video. Go back and check out the other video. And now you see why I put this detox video out. People are like, how did I get metal in my body? Now you see how you got metal in your body. I may sound like I'm repeating myself, but look, it's just sad. It's just sad that this is happening. I mean, it's really sad. You and I both, because I know back in the day, you would have never told me I had metal in my body. But just think, you get metal in your body from breathing stuff in, you know, aluminum. You ain't never thought aluminum was in your deodorant. Yes, some people got aluminum in their deodorant, and you see how why they redoing items and say, hey, aluminum free. Like, why was aluminum in the first place? But look, make sure you guys detox your body. You know, now that detox, let me just make sure I clearly explain to you guys. Look, instead of using iodine, because I want you to do a detox. When you do a metal detox, you need to do it for at least 40 days, 40 to 45 days. Yes, I do shots. But I do not use iodine every day. So when I do my detox, when I showed you in the last video, I do not use iodine daily. I'll use it maybe out of that month or out of that 45 days, I'll use it maybe 6 times. Iodine. I'll put turmeric. I'll put activated charcoal. You see, I'll put some garlic. Yes, I put garlic, and I put ginger. So it all depends when you do your shot, or if you want to do a smoothie, or you just want to do, you know, just drinking it like you drink water, you know, mix it and drink it with water. because you can dilute it. You can make, squeeze you some cilantro and some chlorella. You can squeeze it and add water, and you could do that. Make sure you got the living water. But you do that and you just drink it. But you got to drink it for 40 days, 40 to 45 days. Because some people have less less metal. Some people have more. But you do not have to put the cayenne pepper or the iodine. Because a lot of people are allergic to iodine. And if you're allergic to iodine or any kind of shellfish or that substance, you may not want to take chlorella as well. So just make sure you do a test, because sometimes people don't know what they're allergic to. But look, I just put my 50-11 cents in just so you guys know you need the detox. You know, you just never know what's in your body. You never know what's in your body. But that's all I want to tell you, family. That's what I want to tell you. Just a quick video to sit there and tell you we got metal and it needs to come out. It needs to come out. Take the time, remove the metal. Look, Herbalist Viola, just making sure you go back and check. Go back. If you bought some of them items, go back and check. All right, family. Peace.